Hey, welcome back guys, and if you haven't been with us, welcome to my channel. As you know, in the last video we made homemade charcoal, which turned out great. That sounds like glass. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go back and watch it before you watch this one. But my charcoal has been milling overnight and all day today, so we're gonna go and open it up and we're gonna sift it through this and onto this. And then I'm going to show you my mixing ratios for my gunpowder. So let's get into that. Warning. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not responsible for any injuries you or anyone else may sustain if you choose to emulate what you see in this video. Please enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Alright you guys, as you can see, I've got a scale. This is a 220 gram scale. I've got a bowl to mix my chemicals in. I've got my tumbler here with my media. I have sulfur that I bought offline, pretty cheap. I've got my homemade oak charcoal that we made in the last video, and my potassium nitrate. Now the mixture calls for 75% potassium nitrate, 15% charcoal, and 10% sulfur. So I'm going to be mixing up 50 grams, and that's going to be 37.5 grams of potassium nitrate, 7.5 grams of charcoal, and 5 grams of sulfur. So let's go ahead and mix this together so I can put it in the mill, and then I can show you guys how important it is to mill your stuff to make sure it mixes properly. Now I'm going to take this top on. This out the way to turn it off. Alright, so now I got this mixed up in here. I'm going to take a scoop of it and we're going to go outside. I'm going to show you why it's important to mill your black powder. Be careful when you open this lid after shaking it. The stuff gets airborne. You do not want to breathe this stuff in. I'm going to take a scoop like this. I'm going to take a small bit of paper, toilet paper, anything that'll burn quite easily. I recommend toilet paper or paper towel. So let me go ahead and close this up. And let's take this outside. Alright you guys, I tried lighting this paper. It usually works for me. The flame travels to the gunpowder, but it's not wanting to do it right now. And I don't understand why. It's kind of annoying. So I just went and got a piece of fuse. And I'm going to light it so that you guys can see why it's important to mill your gunpowder. Right, see how slowly that's burning? And you can see all this residue that it left. That's because it was not completely and properly mixed together. Alright you guys, I think that's going to be it for today. I'm giving you a rundown how I make my gunpowder. Pretty simple, very simple. It just takes a little bit of time to get the stuff right. If you don't do it right, as you just saw, it's not going to burn correctly. But that's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm out of here.
Audio Jungle.